guys. Okay, let's go start it. I got this car, and we need to put the car right here. Put it right here, and then slide it backwards. Then it's inserted. You so excited, guys, to see what it will do?
Yes.
And some more.
Yeah.
Okay, on the count of 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Woohoo! See that, guys? Woohoo!
Enough na, nakibalik mo na yung cellphone natin.
I just only want a video for a while. So bye, guys.